Look at all this rain. Unfortunately, no Magic Mountain today. Good morning, guys. Christina and Stacy here. I got some bad news. Unfortunately, we are not going to be able to do our top 7 Magic Mountain rides. Today we're literally on our way to Magic Mountain and it started pouring rain super hard. And you know, the drive is really far for us and it's just not really safe for us to drive that far. And our luck, we'll get there and they're going to be like, oh, we're closed, you know? So we're going to postpone our little trip for our top 7. So keep looking out for it though. I'm kind of upset about it, huh?
You know, the last little bit for us has been a lot of testing of us lately. I feel like of our patience, of our determination and things. We have something really big coming, and we're trying to get these little snippet videos in before, and it's just a lesson that, you know, wasn't in the plans today, right?
Yeah.
But I am sad we were ready to go. We haven't been in a long time to Magic.
Yeah, it's been a minute since we got to Magic Mountain, but you know what? We're gonna try to go in the next, you know, couple weeks or so here soon. Cause I haven't been to Magic in forever, and I want to go. Like I want to get them rides in, you know.
Yeah.
But we'll for sure go ahead and post that video soon. Hopefully, like I said, within the next couple of weeks. Unfortunately, next weekend we already have plans. You know, I have a sponsor convention I'm going to with my sponsor. You know, Stacy's mom's coming to town next weekend, so it probably won't be till the following weekend till we get our video up. But I'll still be posting videos like I do every single day, no matter what. It's just gonna be a minute for an actual vlog. Unless I do like a solo trip to Knott's Berry Farm, but you know, it's not the same without Stacy. You know what I mean? It's not the same. But either way, we're still gonna be posting our normal content. But for Magic Mountain, it's gonna be a minute. But either way, in the next month or so, we have Cedar Point.
So we last night booked the car.
Yep.
We got the car.
We got the car. We got the plane tickets.
We got the plane tickets. We got the car. It's very real in the bank account, but it doesn't feel real quite yet.
Yeah.
Quite yet. It doesn't feel real quite yet.
Yeah, exactly.
But we're there. I mean, like,
the reservations for the hotel's done.
It's all done.
The cars are done. The plane tickets are bought. We are going to Cedar Point and Kings Island.
It's crazy.
A couple surprise destinations, like I mentioned, and I'm super, super excited, and I cannot wait. There's just so much coming along for this channel, and you know, later this year, going up north. It's just there's a lot coming up. So you guys got to make sure you like, subscribe, do it so you don't miss anything.
Yeah, you got to follow along.
You got to follow along with us on this journey because it's a crazy one. Like I mean, 2 years ago, we were, you know, like just down on our luck and
down on the luck is putting it mildly, like so mildly. I gotta pay attention. I'm on the freeway when it's raining, but like down on your luck, we were in the pits of the darkest hole. Like we're coming up very quickly this month on 2 years clean.
Yeah,
we are walking, talking miracles. You know, and we never ever believed that was going to be our story. You know, I believed that I was going to very much die with, you know, with those in my hand. I'll say with those in my hand.
Yeah.
You know, I very much believed that was who I was, that was going to be. We were just talking about it this morning, actually, or last night. You know, do not ever let anybody tell you what you can and cannot be. Don't let the world tell you, nobody can measure your potential. But you and your higher power, or whatever you may believe, but don't ever think you can't get out of it, guys, because we're over here booking plane tickets and hotels and all that, and we live a beautiful life now, and we work very hard for it, but we live a beautiful life. We're blessed, you know. It's crazy.
Absolutely.
It's crazy.
We are truly blessed. Like 2 years ago, like I said, 2 years ago, we didn't even have food in our fridge.
No.
We didn't even have toilet paper to wipe our butts with.
No.
And here we are, booking plane tickets and hotels and renting cars and doing all of this where just, you know, like I said, just 2 years ago, we didn't even have food in our fridge. We couldn't even pay our rent because everything went to using. And this is the life we get to live today, though, and it's crazy. But, you know, guys, keep following along because we have so much to come. There's so much that, I mean, the sky's the limit. We always say the sky's the limit. And we, like I said, Cedar Point, Kings Island, surprise destinations. We're going up north here this year too. And then next year, Texas.
Take a dive.
Take a dive.
I'm thinking.
So yeah, and then I think we're gonna try to make it out to Universal Studios for the Fast and the Furious.
Oh, I saw the
Tokyo
testing. We gotta go. We're going.
We're going this year too. So there's just so much to look forward to. So keep following along. You know, I'm sorry about the whole Magic Mountain thing, but we will be getting that video up. But guys, thank you so much, for following along. And as always, guys, we love you. We care for you, and all that good stuff. And it's the thrills without the pills.